Hey, welcome to a new video. Now, as promised, this is my second soundbar that I'm going to test out to AC just kicked on. It's a little hot to see how it is in my room because I need some better sound. So the last soundbar was an LG. This time I'm gonna do the Roku Streambar. So this one's much smaller. It's only like 14 inches wide. So what's nice about this one is that the Roku stick is in it already, so it's already built in. So y'all would not have to get another remote. It'll all just work. So that's nice. It's got a cool picture of it. I'm gonna flip the camera around as always. I'm gonna look at it, unbox it, look at it, see how it is, and then we're gonna hook it up and play the same stuff I just played on the last soundbar, just to see how it is. Thanks for being here. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to this. Okay, here we go. Now, Roku Streambar, 4K streaming, premium audio, all in one. Sounds big, streams big. Powerful streaming, quad-core processor, crisp, clear dialogue, simple setup. Works with Apple AirPlay, Apple HomeKit. Hey Google. My bad, didn't mean to say that. I didn't tell you my price. This one's on sale for $89, so that is a good price. Has all these things. Dolby Audio, Bluetooth, HD, 4K, HDR. Yeah. Let's look at the back. Actually, let's see what. Let's go here. Okay, what you'll need: broadband internet, wireless router, TV with HDMI ARC support, or an HDMI and optical ports. What's included? Roku Streambar, voice remote, 2 AAA batteries, premium high-speed HDMI cable, an optical cable, power adapter, and cable. There it is. SKU number is 9102R, assembled in China. Here's the back. So it's got 4 1.9-inch speakers. So side-face speakers fill your room with sound. Front-face speakers enhance your volume and clarity. Quad-core processor, precise digital amplifiers produce clean, pure sound. It's got a voice remote, long-range Wi-Fi, Bluetooth streaming, quiets loud commercials. So over here, power, optical, HDMI, USB. 14-inch soundbar, 2.0 Roku Streambar with 4 built-in speakers. So no sub built in, but you can get surround sound speakers to attach to this wirelessly and a sub if you wanted to. So the powerful 2-in-1 entertainment upgrade. Experience brilliant picture and quality and premium sound. All right, let's get this thing open. The easiest way, maybe I can just peel off this back side. Maybe. I don't like it torn in the box, so there you go. Just like that. Pull this up. Down. Just wait until you hear this. Roku Streambar Quick Start Guide. Let's pull this out. Oh, it's tiny. Wow. Wide angle this a little bit. Wow, that thing's interesting. Let's see what else comes in the box. So I'll take these out. That just falls away. And we got some wires. Got a remote. Oh, they give you Duracell. That's nice. So there's a remote, standard fare. Roku, volumes on the side, mute. Nice. Power brick. Power cable. HDMI. And even comes with an optical if you need it. Not bad for only $89. Now, for the time being, let's just throw this back in here. And let's look at the soundbar. Remove this back. That's it. Optical, power, HDMI, USB, and a big reset button. And screw holes so you can mount it onto the wall. Doesn't come with any type of mounts with it. It's rubber on the bottom, solid rubber. And wow, that's nice. Good build quality. Yeah, it's nice. So let's go hook this one up. So this is a nice HDMI. Has like a little Velcro strap on it to where you can get better cable management. Got these little caps on the ends. Pull those off. Just make sure you find the ARC port. So yeah, it's a nice cable. Alright, so I got the power plugged into the back of this. So there's the power brick. I'm not going to unplug this too much because I don't have a whole lot of space, so I'm just going to let it sit back here. Because this thing comes with a pretty long power thing, and I don't want this to be up behind my TV, you know what I'm saying? So, and then I got my HDMI plugged into my TV, and now I'm going to plug this into the back of here, like so. Whoa, raw. And then I'm just going to pick up the sound bar and put it right on top. Should look good. So I'm just, so the power adapter is really loosey-goosey in here. So gotta be careful with that. So I'm going to go around this side of TV with it. HDMI is going to go around this way. Oh man, the power cable came out again. So I'm not sure what this is all about. But let's plug it back in. And then tight squeeze on top again, just like the last soundbar. And pull cables down. Here's the power. So this is my other Roku device that I have in here, which I won't need if this sounds good. And you can just hide all these whenever you get a chance. Just kind of tuck them all in, no big deal. Anyways, I'm gonna plug in the power to this thing. I will probably change all that up too. So I can probably just pull this one out. Keep it like that. Of course, I'm gonna run everything on the side, make it all look nice. But for now, we're just gonna test it and see how this thing sounds. Oh, it's got a light on it. Okay, let me get a Wi-Fi connected to it. Duracell. It's always nice to have Duracell. And we're just gonna turn that off. Okay, let's turn this off. Roku batteries always go in the same way for both, which that should be in every device. Oh, got a little light. Voila. Nice. Now let's get Wi-Fi set up. Netflix, Disney Plus, Apple TV Plus, Hulu. That's really all the ones I use. Huh. Okay, got it going. Do this. So I got it connected now. Roku Streambar, the latest software. So it's got to do an update. So we'll wait for that. It says we're all done with this setup. Go through some kind of setup. Sounds good. Okay, so here we go. Same song as earlier. Or as the last video.
Confused. Internet's gone low, so time is through. Making love at you, so I'ma sit and just lay in my bed with the fries in my hand, getting stuck to the race with you. Press deep and cruise now. Stress is getting just just a little bit lower. Mine's getting just a little bit closer. Find somebody in my life that can make it for. I'll be lost, I'll be found in the broken. Way out in the crowd, feeling open. Find somebody in my life that can make it for. That one's just me times two.
Here's the next one.
I want you and you. I got nothing left to lose. Oh, so I'll keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. I need you closer. I want you and only you.
My video. Yeah. Let's hear voice. Hey, welcome to a new video. Today's video is gonna be all focused on a mini split that I had installed. So I wanted some more AC power in here because it's getting hot. The next couple days highs are like 107, 108, 109. So the two RVACs, they just weren't keeping up on the front area. So yeah, so there it is. Sounds good. Got the little speakers in it, and there's just enough room. Hopefully it can stay cool. I'll try to figure this out. But I like this one more than the other one. So I'm not sure how it showed on video, how it sounded on video, but I like this one better because it has Wi-Fi and internet, and it works with the ARC correctly. Which the last one would have too if I would have been HDMI, but it's fine. So here's like the sound setting. You go to sound setting, and standard, dialogue, movie, music, night. Also go to standard, volume mode leveling, speech clarity auto, and you can adjust your bass and your treble, which is nice. So let's see how this sounds now.
I'm confused. Internet's gone loose, so time is for making of it yours. So I'ma sit and just lay in my bed with the frost in my hand, getting stuck to the race with you. Fall asleep and cool. Stress is getting just a little bit lower. Mine's getting just a little bit closer. Find somebody in my life that can make it for. I'll be lost, I'll be found in the broken. Way out in the crowd, feeling open. Find somebody in my life that can make it for. That one's just me times two. That one's just me times two.
Let's try this one.
I want you and you. I got nothing left to lose. Oh, so I'll keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. I need you, I want you and only you.
So there you go. That is the Roku Streambar, the 14-inch one. So this one only costs $89 at Best Buy. I'll link it down below. It's on sale right now, so hopefully it's still on sale when you look at it. Normally it's $129 USD, but today it was only $89. So I think it sounds good. Like I said, you can get some surround sound speakers to go with it and a subwoofer. I don't need all that in this room. I may do surround, you never know, but that's nice. So I picked this one over my over the LG. The LG was wide and it was smashed up in there. So this one's good. I really like this one. Thanks for being here. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next one. Bye bye.